Hello friends and welcome back to the channel. I hope everyone is doing great. In this video, we'll be taking a look at the Samsung Galaxy A12 and also help you make a good decision if you are thinking of getting this device and anything you need to know about the device. Without spending much of your time here, let's get to the video and don't forget to subscribe for more. The Samsung Galaxy A12 is a budget device that was launched last year. This device came with some specs that are cool though and can still get a job done still in 2021. So talking about the design of the device, this device is made of plastic with glass front. The texture at the back also makes the device feel budget premium. So having the device in hands feels a bit heavy, but not too heavy. So when we take a look at the side of the device, contains the power button together with the fingerprint reader, which is very fast, and also the volume up and volume down keys. The left side of the device is where you can find the SIM and SD card tray. So at the down part of the device, you can find a USB Type-C port, headphone jack, speaker and a microphone. The back of the device is where you can find the camera setup with the flashlight. For the display on the Samsung Galaxy A12, the Samsung Galaxy A12 comes with an IPS PLP 6.5-inch display size with a 720p resolution. Here you can consume some content on this device. You also get a water drop notch, which most people might find it disturbing, but you surely get used to it. So for what powers this device, the Samsung Galaxy A12 uses the Helio P35 chipset, which some of you might find it not really good but can still get a job done. Apps run fine without any problem. The only time I noticed a lag was when I tried playing Real Racing in higher graphics. Even with the lag I was talking about, it only lasted for some seconds. But you can also get a smooth experience if you switch from the higher to medium or low graphics. The Samsung Galaxy A12 I have here has 6GB RAM with 128GB internal storage. You can also expand your storage if you have an external SD card. You can also get this device with 3GB RAM and 32GB internal storage, or 4GB with 64 or 128GB internal storage. For the Android version of this device, you get Android 10 out of the box, but you can still upgrade to Android 11 with One UI and enjoy. Talking about the battery on the Samsung Galaxy A12, the A12 offers a huge 5000 mAh battery that can last you up a day, and also charging speeds on this device is fast as compared to a normal phone that will charge with a normal brick, thanks to the 15W fast charge that comes with the device. So with this huge 5000 mAh battery, you can enjoy as much as you can and you still have some battery life left to take you out through the day. About the camera on this device, when you take a look at the back, you can see there are 4 lenses. A 48 megapixel being the main shooter, 5 megapixel ultra wide lens, 2 megapixel macro lens, and another 2 megapixel as the depth lens. On the front, you get an 8 megapixel for the front selfie camera. You can record videos in 1080p at 30 frames per second, and with the front camera, you can record videos in 1080p at 30 frames per second also. So if you are thinking of getting this device, then this device is a budget device and you want a device that can do your normal tasks for you and play some games in low or medium graphics and do other stuffs, then you can go in for it. Although there are other devices in the same price range with similar specs and also some slight difference. Let me know your thoughts down in the comment section. Also subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. If you did enjoy this video, please drop a like on it and share. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Stay safe. Thanks for watching.